So question number 1e says we should find the derivative with respect to x of the function y equals the ln of x all divided by x squared. And to differentiate this function, we could use the product rule of derivative or something called the quotient rule of derivative. And I stated the quotient rule on the board for your benefit. Note, if y equals to the quotient of two functions, call them f of x over g of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x, which we call dy over dx, is equals to g of x f prime of x. That means you hold g of x constant in the denominator, and then you differentiate the numerator, which you call f prime of x, minus you hold f of x constant and differentiate the denominator, all divided by the denominator square. This is what we call the quotient rule of derivative, and that's exactly what we're going to use to do question number 1e. The derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx, and it's equals to, according to this rule, we should hold the denominator constant, so the denominator is g of x. So we hold the denominator constant, x squared, and then we differentiate the numerator. What is the derivative of the ln of x? That's 1 over x minus, and then we hold the numerator constant, hold f of x constant, ln of x, and then differentiate the denominator. Multiply this by the derivative of x squared. What is the derivative of x squared? That's 2x all divided by x squared all squared. And we can simplify this by writing, if we simplify x squared times 1 over x, this x goes into this x squared, it goes x times. So this is x minus the ln of x times 2x is 2x, the ln of x, all divided by x squared all squared is x to the power of 4. So we can go and simplify both further. We can write dy over dx is equals to, we can factor out the greatest common factor for x and negative 2x, the ln of x. That's just x. X parenthesis will be x divided by x, that's 1, minus 2x, the ln of x, divided by x, that's 2, the ln of x, all divided by x to the power 4. This x goes into x to the power 4, it goes x cubed down. So the entire answer now is 1 minus 2 the ln of x all divided by x cubed. And this is the answer.